All right, Rankin family. So we are at the beautiful Highland Homes right here in Fulshear, Texas. This one is going to be Plan 216. So I want to show you this beautiful property. Even as you can tell from the exterior of the property, you have this nice, beautiful painted brick. You have the composition roof on top, and not to mention this beautiful double front door. I always love the double front door just because I think it adds a nice, elegant look. I can't decide if I like the double front door with the glass pane or the pivot door. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. So this is immediately as soon as you walk in, you do have this beautiful foyer. You have not one, not two, but three chandeliers going down that long foyer, but we'll definitely get to that. Right here to the left, you're immediately greeted with the beautiful study. Look how large this study is. You have the LED ceiling fan on top. You have the 12-foot ceilings inside of here, which I absolutely love. Not to mention you have these beautiful French doors, and just look how much room you have in here. You have just so much space. You have the nice little floating shelves over there as well. And of course, some of this may be upgrades like I always bring to you folks. This is the model house just to show you what it could look like inside of your home. So you do have engineered wood flooring throughout this property as well, with carpet in the bedrooms. And this is your first bedroom. So you have the high ceilings inside of here as well. You don't have a ceiling fan in here, but of course this is the model. I would have added a ceiling fan, just my personal preference. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So inside of here, it is a little tight. I'll be honest with you. As you can tell, this is a queen size bed right here. You have this oversized nightstand. And of course, they wouldn't want to put one over here because it would block your entryway right here. So it is a little tight, I'll be honest with you folks. But like I say, if it's something where you really don't need this as a bedroom, or you want smaller furniture in here just so it can fit easily, it may make more sense for you. So here we go. So you do have a full bath in here, so easily you could have this as a guest room if you needed to. But like I said, I might have pushed this out just a little bit more, just so you had a little bit more room, but to each his own. And Highland Homes, they have a ton of different plans. I mean, goodness gracious, I've already showcased a few on here, but not to mention you do have anything that you may need or that can accommodate you, they will supply it for you. So I love the double doors going inside of your media room. It looks extremely cozy in here. You have that L-shaped couch right there. You have this navy blue carpet inside of here with this baby blue colored paint. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that as well. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Always great to have you. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I am a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you're in that bucket now or in the future, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll definitely get you taken care of. And not to mention, if you are considering making a move anywhere in the state of Texas, you can reach out to me. I'll get you connected to the right local expert. They'll definitely get you taken care of on your purchasing journey. And consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love for you to become a part of the Rankin family. That way you know exactly when I drop a new video every week. All right, so this one, you do have a full-size bathroom inside of here, shower tub combo. You have your built-in walk-in closet, and I love the fact that the high ceilings extends in here as well. That's one thing I really love. I love the high ceilings just because you don't feel so cluttered at all. And look how open this is. So I'll do a quick pan so that way you can see, look how much space you have inside of here. So we'll start in the kitchen. You have this oversized island. You have your stacked cabinets on top with the wooden range hood. You have the double oven, stainless steel as well. I love this candle-like lighting fixture right above your oversized island. You have the quartz countertops, and just look how open this is. Absolutely fantastic. An entertainer's dream If you had all the family inside of here, this is a perfect setup. You have a formal area right here, so you can use this as a formal living room, maybe have it decorated. And then over there, you could easily use it as the family room. You have two sliders, not to mention a quick, easy access door right here as well. And just look how much space you have inside of here. You got your dining area right there. You have your electric fireplace. Goodness gracious. So I love the fact that as soon as you enter in the front doors, you come all the way through the foyer, and then you would access all of this, all your family in one place. You can comfortably, easily fit probably 15, 20 people. So if you are a partier and you love to bring the gang to your house, this may be the perfect plan for you. And I always say, folks, if it's something where you love a particular plan, but you want it built other locations, reach out. I'll see if they'll possibly be able to build wherever you're looking at. They do build in all major suburbs for the most part. Sometimes they may have closeout sales. Sometimes they may just beginning. And so reach out. I'll definitely get you taken care of. But so inside of this primary, you have the high ceilings again, candlelight chandelier, and just look how much room you have in here. And I absolutely love the fact that you don't have carpet inside the primary. I just love this. Look how much room. So king size bed, 2 nightstands, 2 chairs. You got all this space. I absolutely love that. That's fantastic. I really hate when we go to some of these places and they skimp on the room sizes. You know, just looking from a practical standpoint, I show you model houses, so they all look great for the most part. But just looking at it, if you have kids, you know, me personally, I have 3 kids. They would not be happy about the room sizes. But inside of here, you have your rectangular soaking tub. You got your vanity area right there. You have dual sinks right over here as well. Wow. Quartz countertops inside of here. Not to mention, you have this nice size walk-in shower right here. So you got plenty of space inside of this bathroom, not to mention your walk-in closet connecting to another hallway. We'll definitely get to that. You have your built-in dressers, your built-in drawers, all that shelving from floor to ceiling. Fantastic. So up there, you can easily put your winter coats as we're starting our approach to spring and the summertime. You don't want those to get in the way. So we'll take it right here. You'll have your powder bath right here. I love that you have your mirror frames right there as well. You got tile inside of here. And then going inside the bedroom. So every single bedroom that we've seen had the high ceilings inside of there. Not to mention you have a full-size bathroom attached to it again. Quartz countertops, tile flooring, and not to mention you have your nice size walk-in shower. You got the tile shower surround as well. And now I want to make sure I can show you the closet space. So inside of here, it's, you know, a little small compared to some of the other plans that we've seen, but I think this definitely gets the job done. I would easily be able to put a queen size bed in here and 2 nightstands, and I wouldn't add a dresser, but that's just my opinion. Right here, that's where we just come from. And then right here would be your utility room, and that would be attached to the garage. Of course, that's the sales office over there, but if it was something that you really want, then that would be attached to the garage. Not to mention when they do decide to sell this off, whenever they're done with selling off all the other lots, they will convert that and put that up for sale. So I love that. Nice size walk-in pantry again. So if you notice, you had 2 pantries, the one I showed earlier right here and that one. So absolutely stunning. So that, I mean, goodness gracious, you really can't get much better than that one, especially for the size of this plan right here. And then this is your covered backyard patio. So you have the extended covered backyard patio And I love that this one has that lake view right there. Not to mention, look how much yard space you have inside of here. So like I said, this is the model house, folks. It's not for sale currently, but they can build this plan here or other locations. But eventually they will sell off the model home. So if you absolutely love the way this is dressed up, as far as the upgrades are concerned, and you love the particular area, the location, the lot, you may want to keep an eye when they put this one up for sale. And that, folks, is Highland Homes. All right, Reiki family, so that was the lovely Highland Homes. Like I said, this one is in Cross Creek West. So just for reference, as soon as you walk out, this is what it's going to be looking like. So they do have Cross Creek West, they have Cross Creek Ranch as well. And in this one, they actually have cheaper pricing than Cross Creek Ranch. Of course, I'd never like to stipulate pricing on my videos just because they can change on any given moment. So if you do want more information about this particular plan or any plan that I showcase, reach out to the contact information below. We'll get you taken care of. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.